It's me, Mikey Pipes. Hope all is well. Today, as you can see, unfortunately, is not a pool day. So I'll just hang out in the cabana, have a cigar, and maybe some Macallan 18, or maybe even some Don Julio 1942. Maybe, we'll see. But I just want to show you this quick little video that I was able to record earlier today. It's a church. It was formerly a synagogue, and the rooftop equipment, shall I say, has seen better days. Let me get your thoughts and feedback after watching this. And what should St. Mike do to try to get them up and running? This is epic. All right, let's take a look at this Trane 25-ton R22 system. She's an older momma, and she's been hacked. When I first got here, there was a wire hanging here, went across the unit, ended, and that wire is there right now. It was just in there, dead ended in there, and ran across top of the unit. There's condenser fan motor, capacitor number 1, and there's another one hanging out right over there. There's the ground. All right, wire is just hanging out. I guess they abandoned this and didn't bother to cut it. Wire nut on the scroll compressor wiring. Look at that. It's a real nice, pretty job. And the reason why I'm here is the fan sheave broke off. There it is. Broke right off that axle. Luckily, the belt is kind of still intact. She'll need a new one of these anyway. BX96. She needs a new belt. She needs to replace this unit, but we're at a church and I don't know. May have to have an appeal. Looks like we have chilled water here, or something going on with this. What's going on with it? Oh, we have I'm gonna guess some kind of heating coil. Interesting. This looks like probably a heating coil on this old unit. The ductwork's seen much better days, guys. Look at this. Horrible stuff here. That's what they did with the old filters. I checked them. They're clean. But, wow. St. Mike does miracles, but this is one that needs a lot of work, a lot of TLC. I just can't believe the age of those units up there. I know they're not working, but wow. Look at this. And then we have wow, good stuff. Knockdown. So what do you guys think about that service call with the with all those aged units? Wow. So the one, I'm working on the furthest 25-ton Trane. So the one to the right, I'm speaking to the, I guess, the treasurer of the church there, and she tells me, well, that one we think needs a motherboard. And like, we really don't have the money to replace this. We don't have the money to fix it. And I was like, yeah, I hear you. I was like, but if it only needs a motherboard, why don't we take the motherboard from the one that needs that the fan motor sheave and the axle and probably God knows what else, and just at least get that one up and running. At least you have some comfort, right? She goes, that's a good idea. I'll let the powers that be know, and we'll see what happens. I was like, all right, there you go. And I doubt I'll ever be back there ever again, but whatever. It is what it is. They probably will call the person who puts in all those motors, you know, wrong, of course. I wouldn't say dangerous, but, you know, just hack, you know, there's hacks out there. Anyway, I just left one of my favorite people, my embroiderer. Check this out. I got a box of 50. This is my second batch, by the way. 50 brand new Pipe Doctor Flex Fit hats, and all embroidered too, by the way. It's embroidered. See that? It's stitched. Right? I don't do no silk screening. No silk screening here. Quality. Quality is what I deliver. All right. Hope you enjoyed this quick little short little video. Let me get your thoughts and feedback. What would you do? You know, collect your service call or your hourly rate or whatever and have a nice day? Or would you rape and pillage from the other machine to at least give them something up and running, which I offered? And they're going to let me know. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. And if you want a hat, details in the description box down below. Be well, stay safe, God bless.